guys, welcome back to another segment of Cooking It Up with KC, and don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share and subscribe. Today we will be doing our crispy juicy fried chicken, and as you can see my chicken has been cleaned right here already. Okay, so right here I'll be using a plugged in deep fryer to fry my chicken, but a deep pot can also be used. Okay, so now the next step, in a small bowl you can just mix up your dry ingredients such as your flour. You can add paprika, you can add black pepper and salt, and also added a little chicken seasoning with Lorry's as well. I had the dry ingredients, it wasn't enough seasoning and flour, so I did a little bit more of each. Just please ensure that you have enough seasoning so that the chicken is salty enough and flavorful. Right now I'm just beating the eggs so that it can create the batter for the chicken. Okay, so after shaking up the chicken into the flour batter, now it is ready to be placed into the pot. And now in the deep fryer, oil is very hot. We put it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and it was getting really hot. So make sure your pot is hot before you place the chicken in. Okay guys, so it was smelling like KFC chicken at this point. I'm not even gonna brag, but whew, ciao. Okay, so anyways, we're going to wait until one side is brown, and then you're gonna turn it over and do the same for the next. Okay guys, so as you can see, we did turn it over on the next side, and it does have this golden brown crispy texture, and I'm loving it. Okay guys, so we have reached the end of our video, and this is the final product of our fried chicken. I didn't even get to do a good presentation of it because everybody jumped in, but it is nice and golden and crunchy and crispy, and I love it.